Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Bato. Ba-to. Bato. Meaning rock. Paniki. Pa-ni-ki. Paniki. Meaning bat. Pakaw. Pa-kaw. Pakaw. Meaning earring clasp. Mangga. 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 Meaning mango. Gagamba. Ga-gam-ba. Gagamba, meaning spider. Iisa. I-isa. Iisa, meaning only one. Basahan. Ba-sa-han. Basahan, meaning rug. Pambalot. Pam-ba-lot. Pambalot, meaning wrapper. Daliri. Da-li-ri. Daliri, meaning finger. Siper. Si-per. Siper, meaning zipper. Basurahan. Ba-su-ra-han. Basurahan, meaning trash can. Paminta. Pa-min-ta. Paminta, meaning pepper. Asin. Asin. Asin, meaning salt. Suka. Suka. Suka, meaning vinegar. Suka. Suka. Suka, meaning puke. Matalino. Ma-ta-li-no. Matalino, meaning smart. Magaling. Ma-ga-ling. Magaling, meaning skilled or good. Mabisa. Ma-bi-sa. Mabisa, meaning effective. Manika. Ma-ni-ka. Manika, meaning dull. Planganita. Planganita. Planganita, meaning small basin. Panglampaso. Panglampaso. Panglampaso, meaning mop. Tawad. Tawad. Tawad, meaning discount. Maliwanag. Ma-li-wa-nag. Maliwanag, meaning bright. Madali. Ma-da-li. Madali, meaning easy. Minsan. Minsan. Minsan, meaning sometimes. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!